there. Today we're going to make some really easy Valentine's Day cookies, but they're really tasty and they're just a little bit different. We're going to actually make them, instead of making them with fondant or royal icing, we're going to use a truffle. Now truffle, you can buy that at some of your local cake decorating stores. You can find it. If you can't find a truffle, then what you can use are the coating chocolates, the white coating chocolate, the little disc, and the dark coating chocolates instead. The difference between the truffle and the coating, the truffle will stay just a little bit softer, so when you bite into it, it's a softer feel, and it has just a little bit better flavor than the others. Okay, so this is just a store-bought raspberry jam, and what we're going to do is going to take some of this and go ahead and put it right in the center of the cookies. Kind of been easier if I used a spoon. Okay, but you don't want the cookies to actually slide apart on you when you are dipping them. It's actually kind of good if you do this and let them sit for a while. And then we've got some baby cookies here too, we'll do. Just put a tiny bit of jam in them. And it's also good with some other fillings, like a lemon filling is really good with the white chocolate truffle. And some things you need to watch out for is for the white truffle, we have to make sure that the raspberry doesn't come through, that you don't see it on the edges. Alright, next step is dipping. Okay, so this is the white chocolate. It's good to have a fork. So let me take this. And I flip it, so this is the good side, flip that down first, and then flip it over. Make sure everything gets covered, and then tap it. Okay, put that on the tray and let it sit. And let's do one of the big ones. This one looks like it'd work pretty well. Well, it would have been good if I used just a slightly larger container. Okay, I'm going to flip it back over. Before it sets. Just twist it back. Okay, so that's it. We'll just do two of the white chocolate. Here's the dark chocolate. The dark chocolate always looks good at Valentine's Day. Take this out. Start with the bigger cookies. Plop that down. Flip it on over. It's much easier to do when you have more chocolate in the bowl. But still, probably would have been best if I had a little bit wider bowl for this size cookie. Okay, so drip as much of that off as you can. And then place it over here. You've got two more. Face down, flip it over. And one more small one here. Okay, so you just let those set for a few minutes, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and trim the excess chocolate off with a little knife. So we'll be back as soon as those set up.